it's 51.50. Trading in the market's closed. What you know about that? The banks is open. Banks is closed. The market ain't. Light volume though. That move was crazy, yo. I don't know what happened, but we are in no positions at the moment. I don't know why my P&L shows zero though. Am I at zero? Activity for the day, 294. Come on, man. Give me my flowers. Give me my flowers, yo. Let's go. Stocks 5150, man. Shit, boy. I think I needed to log off of TikTok because TikTok might have been bad luck, man, with all they stuff to my inactivity and shit, man. I ain't on here to be battling with nobody or none of that crazy crap, man. But I'm finna talk about this trade though. Let's see. Um, I need to find out why that knew what happened. 6 minutes ago, gold surges on Iran deal in process, but experts caution. That was 6 minutes ago. Oh, oh, I just saw why. Yo, all right, yo. So we back green. Stocks 5150, yo. Check it out. Why? Why are we back green? It was rough this morning. I won't even lie, but we back green again. Um, this pop right here just went, and I was because we was down like 300, and I logged off earlier. See, we giving it back up now, but we're in no positions at the moment, and that's cool. What was said was, it says Iran is ready to remove highly enriched uranium from its territory. That came across 1 minute ago. And when that news popped, because this market is driven off news today, when that popped, boom, order hit. Order acquired. Target acquired, yo. Let's talk about it right quick. So what we had for the day, we started trading last night and we had went short two contracts at 21.54 and we sold one at 10 p.m. Now that one it didn't work out so well for us, but we hit the 21.54 in about 20 minutes. Yeah, about 22 minutes. Boom, target hit. So that was it for today for that really. I was gonna stay out. But then 9:30 hit and the market and this one right here, this short, it didn't work out because the market continued to go up. So then the market opened, which the market is closed, but 9:30 hit, and then I was like, oh wait, we getting some volume in here. So we trading. The banks are closed, but obviously we're trading. So um, oil is dropping, and so I went in at 9:44. I bought two, I sold two, I went short again, two contracts, and then those two, so then I barely got out of that with like $11. I went flat. I just got out of that with $11 because the market continued to go up. So then I went long again, bought one, bought another one, so bought two contracts at 29,969. All right. Then it was going against me. So what I did was what you should not do actually. One, my September contract, it became green right here at 10:45. So this was a 12-hour trade. 12-hour trade. This is not good. A 12-hour trade right here. And look at that. I only got 10.58 out of that. Yeesh. That ain't even minimum wage. But I had to get out of that because I was tired of being short. And once it came back green, then I just got out. I just flattened it and got out. So it is what it is. So basically got $1 an hour on that 12-hour trade. So not a victory. But what I was doing is I was long over here and we were dropping and I just continued to pile in. So I bought two right there. Then I bought one more as it continued to drop. And then at 10:45 I bought another one, right? So now I'm at four contracts with the current with the June contract. And then so the last one that I purchased was at 10:18, and then at 11:11 sold all four for 231. We're green on the day. We had 294 on the day. Not bad for some immigrants, huh? And guess what? The market is closed and we got 294 on the day. We ain't trading no more. That's it. We stopping. Like we look at it on the chart. Let me see. Show. See, we're pulling back already. Probably halfway point. Bounce and push up some more. But I'm not executions. Boom. I'm not getting in anything else. Look at that. Yeah, we're not doing any more trades because we're green. We're gonna stay green. $40 a day is all I need to do. But I got 294, 240, 200, whatever it was. So right now we're basing back out, and that's on the 1 minute. So let's go look at this. So go higher time frame. So it's still in this range. Still in this range. Just trading right here in this range. This is building mad, mad, mad base right here. This is a mad base, which should be good to push this on up through 30,000 for next week. Or we'll drop back down and close this gap. If we drop back down and close this gap, then this becomes your range. You see what I'm saying? From here to there. That's not bad. But right now, we are in a, let's do this on a 1 hour. On 1 hour, we are on a range between 994 and 908. So 90 points. So it's not bad, a 90-point range. You can make some money. I mean, if you want to trade, if you want to keep trading, you can make some money. We already made ours today, and that's it. We are good to go. But look at that. That was crazy. That was news. That candle right here, this volume, that was all because of the news. When the news came out and it said that Iran was ready to remove the highly enriched uranium from its territory. Now, where it's going to take it to, who knows? Who cares? All I know is that my target was hit and we're good to go. We're green on the day. And that's all we need. You know what I'm saying? That's all we need. TikTok with this live stuff, man. They want you to battle people and be childish. I don't have time for that, man. We talking money over here. You know what I'm saying? TikTok should allow content like mine. Stop bothering me. They don't want you to make no money. They want you to be on here clowning and buffooning. You ain't got time. YouTube is for the adult connoisseur. YouTube is like red wine. All right, so we're pulling back on this 5 minute. We'll probably come down, touch this EMA right here. Maybe we'll come back up. You could get playback to the upside, but given the volume, I would expect this to come back down to here. Like hit that 50%, hit that level right there, right here, and bounce. Let's see if it does it. Let's see. No, I'm not in a trade, and I'm not gonna go in any trades. We made our money for the day. We made our money for the day. So actually, and it was raining. While it was raining, I did my laundry, folded up my laundry. I mean, I've been productive today. I can't complain. I've been productive today. You know what I'm saying? What have you done today? Matter of fact, if you made some money today, not with me, but on your own, because don't follow me. If you made some money today, put the dollar signs in the chat, yo. What it up? What's up? Made some money today. Kevin, you made any money today? Dev made any money today? Matt made any money today? I don't know what that name is, but you made any money today? YBFV made any money today? Let's make some money, yo. How are you making your money? You making money by battling? You making money by playing the games? You making your money by streaming? I don't know, but I made my money today trading futures. You feel me? So I was gonna eat some leftovers, but maybe I'll go have me a nice steak. Nah, I definitely am gonna eat my leftovers because we don't waste nothing around here. We don't waste. Uh-oh. let's see. Still pulling back. You have trips. All right. Look at that. Look at that. What happened? Came down, bounced. That was where we said we was gonna hit. We hit it. Now what we're gonna do? Retrace back up. Boom. Or we continue down. We could continue down. But this boy good is all I can say because we called it. But you do it long enough, you'll learn. That's all I can say, man. Stick with it. I ain't perfect, but we are trying over here. Stars 5150. But we did come down. We take that right there. We're bouncing. We could do a complete bearish retrace, but I don't know. Yeah, that right there, that was crazy. And that probably satisfies that move that would have taken like all day. So now it's gonna pull back and we'll just go through some more pain, maybe down here, consolidate, and then save some for tomorrow. Do we have earnings for tomorrow? What do we got? The big earnings are over. And now today it's just all this news. It's you know, we ran, you ran, I ran news. That's all that's going on now. Let's see. A 300-year-old adage resurfaces every spring. The data behind it is real. It's just not the way most investors use it. The pattern has weakened. The risk profile is flipped, and in 2026, oil rates and tariff courtrooms carry more votes than any almanac. Yep, 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 yeah. So normally selling may go away, but not this year. Not this year. See, look, we're making us a bounce now. Let's go. We're gonna try and make some more. We're gonna do another trade. Nah, we're not gonna trade anymore. We're gonna stay out. Cause like I said, we have made our money today. All we got total less the fees and commissions 294 for the day. That's good. So what are we at for the month? For the month, we probably in a hole because no, we at 2,000 on the month. Let's go. Ah, that boy good. I don't know about that though. Let me do this on trades. There it is. That's more like it. Cause see, when I do any, that counts deposits and everything. And I have put some money in this joint, so I can't even lie. Like, let's see. Yeah, look at that. Putting all my business out there. Got money though, right? God is good. So, but on trades, we're up 1,700 on trades. Still, that's for this month. Well, that's not even this month. That's just from the month of. Can I do 30 days? Custom. Let's do custom. Let's do from May 1st to 25th. So far this month we're at 1700. I didn't even change it. May 1st through the 25th. 17. All right, not bad. Not bad. So all I gotta do is just kind of stay focused. Cause year to date, I'm down. I'm in the hole for sure. Look, no, I'm not. All right, stop it. Year to date, I'm down the hole. There it is, 3,000. That I'm down. But on this contract, we're good. I think that's what it's counting. I don't know what it's counting. I really don't understand how the year to date here is different from the year to date here. Cause year to date here is showing we're at 7,000. Year to date here is showing we're down three. Either way, slow and steady, man. We're winning the race. Let's continue. Let's continue. No flexing. We're just saying. No flexing. Didn't even look in a brother's direction as I passed it. Ran the intersection. Yeah, pulling back and we're gonna bounce down here and stay down here probably. Either way though, stocks 5150 and we are out, yo. Peace, 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 and peace. Made that money and now we out. In and out. Just like she like it.